Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope you are doing well. So let's continue with the series Watch Stories. In this episode I want to share with you my very first purchased watch. Till now I told you about the watches which I got as a gift from my mother and my father. This is a watch which I purchased myself. So from 1997 to 2009 I was using only watches which I got. So in 2009 I decided to purchase my very first watch. I wanted it to be a special watch. I remembered my father's Citizen watch, which looked like this. This is a Titan, but it looked like this, which I used a lot. So I really wanted one Citizen of my own. So the watch which I purchased was this. This watch has so many firsts for me. This is my very first purchased watch. This is my first Citizen of my own. This is first Eco Drive for me. This is the first perpetual calendar watch for me. That's so many firsts for me, and I wanted it in one package. This is a package for me. I just love this watch. So in 2009 June I set this watch for the first time and the last time. I never ever set this watch again. A perpetual watch and a Eco Drive. So I've never opened this watch. No battery change required. My first watch, which I thought will be my last purchase, and I wanted it to be special. I have made a detailed video of this watch with all its functions. The link will be right there. Please check it out. It's a beautiful video. So many people told me that your watch is not working, but I heard that about my Seiko also. They didn't know it's a chronograph, so the seconds hand is always there at 12 o'clock. Same thing for this. People used to tell me your hand is not working, is your watch not working, but they didn't know it's a perpetual calendar and it's on calendar mode. So it's showing the month, it's showing November, and it's showing the day, the date when I'm shooting this right now, and it's also showing whether it's a leap year. There it's showing it's a leap year. But you know, when I purchased this watch, I did not know about sapphire crystals, I did not know about Eco Drive movement, I did not know about perpetual calendar watch. I just went and purchased the best I could in 2009. There was a same two-tone watch also, but I could not purchase that because this was already over budget for me. That was just 2000 rupees costlier than this. This was for 20,000 rupees in 2009, and the two-tone version was 22,000, but I already had overstretched the budget for this watch, so another 2000 was not possible for me at that time in 2009. Again, you have seen this watch in a bracelet in my other videos, but I normally don't use the same bracelet for a long time or the same watch strap for a long time. I keep on changing. That keeps the watch more interesting, and you want to wear the watch again and again because it looks different. It looks fresh, and you should be doing that more often with your watch. Instead of buying more and more watches, you buy more colored straps, different kinds of straps, leather, nylon, canvas, NATO straps, soft leather NATO straps also. Now this dial is actually grey, dark grey, almost black, but with this blue strap it looks bluish in some lighting conditions. Do you agree? It is not blue. The dial is not blue at all. It looks blue. So this strap actually goes with the dial. Fantastic. And I'm using it right now in this condition. I'm not using the bracelet at all. So I'll give you some close-up shots of this watch so you will know the condition of the watch, how I used it, and I've used it. This is not kept in the drawer for long. Any watch with a lume you can read in absolute darkness because your eyes get adjusted to the dark. Then you can see the lume. But when you go from a light area into a dark area, your eyes have not set to the darkness, so the lume is not visible. But this lume, you can read it. You can read the time even if you are transitioning from a light area to a dark area. So the lume has to be good, and this lume is potent. Only on the hands, nowhere else. That's good enough. So guys, if you have any of your watches with special stories and you want to share with us, please write in the comments below. I will be reading all your comments, and I will be replying also to your comments. It will be very interesting to know all our stories, backstories of all our watches and any special watch we have in our collection. And it can be any watch. It doesn't have to be expensive. It can be a sentimental value. It can be any watch in your collection which you love. And please write about it in the comments. And if you like this video guys, hit the like button, share this video, subscribe to this channel, and as always guys, enjoy and have a nice day.